Hi, this is Miss Muir. Today I'm going to show you how to complete math menu with online learning. Okay, so on Monday you looked at a number talk, on Tuesday you watched the main lesson video, and today on Wednesday you are going to look at the learning target. I will understand how to use the math menu choice board. The success criteria, I can choose a must do and a can do on the menu math choice board. If you keep going, you have your math to-do list. For menu math, you are going to choose a must do and a can do from the menu math choice board. Okay, I know this menu math choice board is a little different than when we were in the classroom together. And I know in the classroom, either your teacher or Miss Custis or Miss Sudendorf, other teachers assigned you to a must do or a can do. However, for online learning, everyone's going to share this math menu choice board. And at the top left on your choice board, here you will find Dreambox. Then you have a math writing option, fact fluency. At the top right of your choice board, you have fraction art, mixed number review, and the last choice, so you think you can dance. So on this choice board, what's really neat is where the choice is listed, you can click on the link and it should take you directly to the choice. Now, if the links do not work, I have also listed the links as a backup on Schoology. So remember, like I tell my kiddos, I'll tell you, this is math class, so automatically we should go to the math course. If you go to your math course, you will see an Online Learning Week 1 folder. You will click the folder, and within the folder, as I mentioned, on Monday, Miss Cox talked about a number talk. On Tuesday, I talked about a main lesson, and you completed an assignment. And then today for Wednesday for math, you have your menu math choice board. So as a backup, I put all the links for the choice board on Schoology, just in case they don't work. If you have difficulty finding the links, or if the links aren't working for you, don't forget you can always email me, Miss Cox, Miss Brown, Miss Sudendorf, Miss Custis, and we can help you find the link. Okay? I'm going to go back. There we go. Okay? Now, here's your choice board. Dreambox, the goal is 5 lessons a week, okay? And I know this can be achievable because a lot of you love logging on Dreambox, okay? And don't forget, as soon as you log on Dreambox, your teachers, we can see how many lessons you've completed for the week, okay? Your username is your lunch number, and your password is WCPSKID, all lowercase. For the other choices on the choice board, you shouldn't need a username or a password. I'm going to click on, I'll click on Math Playground. So for fact fluency, you can practice your math facts by logging onto Math Playground. So if you hover over the link and you click, it's super cool. It takes you right to Math Playground. So if you scroll down, here are all the options that you can choose from. Okay? You can work with fractions, you can work with orders of operations, you can even talk about exponents. Ooh, we also talked about factors and multiples. That's a really cool game. Multiplication blocks. There's multiples. Function tables, orders of operations. There's so many neat options, and when you scroll all the way to the top of Math Playground, just make sure you click 5th grade. If you want to super challenge yourself, you can also click 6th grade, okay? So have fun. Make sure you hop on your Math Menu Choice board. Go back to it, and it should look like this for the week, and you have until Friday to work on it, okay? Have fun. Good luck.